Oh, I kind of like that. So you're not squirting the thick stuff. Okay. It has 62% alcohol. Oh, that smelled like I had 172. Hi everyone, Wygo Warrior aka Julie here, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. Wygo stands for When You Get Old. I am 53 years old and love and enjoy makeup, skincare, doing product reviews, beauty hauls, and unboxing videos. If you've stopped by because you're curious what is in the November test tube by Newbeauty, then you're in the right place and keep on watching. All right, so for anyone who is new to what the heck test tube is a bi-monthly or every other month beauty subscription which runs $29.95. You get 8 products with a guaranteed value of at least $180. I am going to take it out of the box, and the reason it comes in a box is because often all of the products don't fit in the actual test tube, and so they'll be outside. All right, so here is a sneak peek of what is in this month's beauty box from test tube. We do get a pamphlet which will have descriptions and pricing. I'm going to reach in and grab the first loose item. What is this? All right, this says, oh, it's from Dr. Brandt. I love this brand. It is an expensive shishi brand. What is this? Microdermabrasion, age-defying exfoliator, and it's a limited edition. Ooh, this packaging is different. Very pretty. Usually Dr. Brandt is either white or blue. All right. Let's see. Is it safe? Yeah, it comes safety sealed. Excited. Let's see what the booklet has to say. All right. So the Microdermabrasion Skin Exfoliant. Holy cow. It retails for $79. Although it is Dr. Brandt, so that's not that shocking to me. It says that it's a cult favorite exfoliator that gently removes dead skin from the surface of the face and neck to reveal a glow. All right, on to the second item. This is also large and outside of the tube. Ooh, it's quite heavy. By the way, this whole box was 3 pounds. What is this? Oh, Thermale Avène. It's a thermal spring water, soothing and softening for sensitive skin. So is this like a spray, like post makeup spray? It's safety sealed in the sense there is plastic all around it. I'm curious. I'm not familiar with this brand. Let's see what the booklet has to say. All right, the thermal spring water from Avène retails for $18.50. And it says this mist can be used post-cleanse, post-laser, post-sunburn, or even post-shave for a refreshing burst of hydration. This is a new, interesting, and different product. I don't know how frequently I would need such a product, but I'm glad I have it. And this is very heavy. It is 300 milliliters or 10.1 fluid ounces. All right, now on to the tube. Yay, we finally got a new tube color. This is very fall. Orange with the trees and the cityscape and the leaves. Got a bullhorn here to make an announcement. All right, so let's see how easily I can take the lid off. Okay, not so bad. All right, here is what the inside of the tube looks like. Still quite full. So the first item that's sticking out, wow, this is another spray of some sort. What is this? Colab Dry Shampoo. The original fragrance. Amazing oil absorption without white residue. I am not familiar with this brand. Let's see what the card has to say. All right, so the Colab Original Dry Shampoo retails for $5.49. So that's a lot. That's a very affordable dry shampoo, and you can get it at Target. It is 200 milliliters and 6.7 fluid ounces. All right, so we got a dry shampoo. I'm curious what the scent is like. Oh, it's quite lovely. It reminds me of a dry shampoo from a different brand that is a lot more expensive. I will list on the screen if I can remember what that brand was. It smells very similar. I like it. It's a very kind of soft, subtle floral scent. All right, on to the next product. All right, what do we got here? Ooh, I love this brand. This is from Sunday Riley, and this is the Saturday Sulfur Spot Treatment Mask. Don't know what that is. Let's see what the pamphlet has to say. All right, so this is a medicated spot treatment turned face mask, which helps clear up signs of What is maskne? While preventing new blemishes from forming. The maskne. Oh! Acne plus you wear a mask. Thanks. Thank you, COVID. That word threw me. I'm like, maskne. I've heard it said, but I've never seen it written. Okay, luckily, I don't suffer from acne. So this, I may keep it for emergencies, or this may be in a future giveaway. And the retail price is $20. All right, on to the next item. What is this? We have from Vita, Cleanse and Care Hand Sanitizer. Okay, this is 99% effective against germs. What is the percentage of alcohol? Because that's what we all want to know when it comes to a hand sanitizer. 62% ethyl alcohol. It does have vitamin E and aloe vera extract, mentha, purida, peppermint oil. Okay, so as we all know, hand sanitizer can be a little drying. What's interesting is it's very liquidy and has a spray pump. Oh, I kind of like that. So you're not squirting the thick stuff. Okay. It has 62% alcohol. Oh, that smelled like I had 172. After the initial rub it in your hands, then it has a very subtle, I don't want to say the word peppermint. It doesn't smell alcohol-y after you kind of rub it in. I do like that it's a spray pump, you know, so you can just spritz a little bit and not, I don't know about you, but I tend to, when I squirt the gel kind, I always get way too much, and then you sit there rubbing your hands for 50 minutes, and it's like a waste. Okay, so hey, it's the year 2020. We're living in a pandemic. We can never have too much hand sanitizer. All right, the Vivi Naturals Vita Plus Hand Sanitizer Spray retails for $10. All right, on to the next item. What is this? All right, the box was kind of already opened. Actually, on both ends. What is this? Ooh, looks like a ballpoint of some sort. Has a little clicker. This is Floetic. Not familiar with that brand. Interesting. What is this going to be? I'm going to need to go straight to the booklet for this one. All right, from Floetic, we have, oh, interesting. This is a liquid lipstick, which retails for $26. I've never seen a liquid lipstick with a sponge tip applicator. I was thinking this would be some sort of a concealer, to be honest. All right, this says The struggle with lip products often revolves around the time it takes to line and fill, but Floetic solves that problem with this lipstick, which is designed to get it all done in just a few swipes. Plus, it has major staying power, and a great pop of color that lasts all day. The color is a mystery. Nowhere on the packaging did I see the color. So let's just take it for a spin drive and pray it's a color I can use. Let's give it a few pumps here. That's a lot of pumps, and I'm going to shake it up. Oh my God. Finally, after like 50 clicks. Alright, not the best color for me, but I've already swatched it. I will have to make it work. Does it have a scent? Oh, it does. It smells kind of like light strawberry. Very, very light strawberry. Okay, that is new, different, and interesting. Should I try to put it on? I'm already wearing like 50 different lip products, but there's extra on here that I don't want to get in the cap, so. Okay, so it's I don't know if it's blending in with my other color. On the lips, it's not as dark, bright pink as I thought it was going to be. Okay, next item. What is this? We have from Dr. Zenovia, Hormonal Dermatology, Hyaluronic Acid Peptide Serum. Spent too much time reading the top part and didn't get to the good part. Hyaluronic Acid Peptide Serum. Yes, this is 15 milliliters, 0.5 fluid ounces. Let's see what the card has to say and see how pricey this guy is. Alright, the Dr. Zenovia Hyaluronic Acid plus Peptide Serum retails for $34. That's a really good price for a hyaluronic acid and peptide serum. It is ultra light moisturizing formula that makes skin look and feel supple, dewy, and well nourished. Yes, I love skincare. That is a fantastic item. Alright, on to the next product. What is this? Cute little bag it came in. 8 Saints Cloud Whip C Cream, Vitamin C something. See what the card has to say. Alright, this Cloud Whip from 8 Saints retails for $28. And what it is, it's jam-packed with vitamin C and antioxidants. This do-it-all moisturizer works to knock out signs of dryness, dullness, and even acne. That I don't understand. Let's take it out of the little mesh thingy. What is this? Try the entire line for $10. What? Little coupon here. Try all 12 natural yet powerful skincare products for $10 plus free shipping. Wait, are they saying you get all 12 for 10 bucks? Or that each product is only 10 bucks? I'm going to go check that out, because if you can get 12 products for 10 bucks, hell yeah, I'm going to try that. Comment down below, have you heard of this brand, 8 Saints? I have not. This, I'm assuming, is a sample. It is 20 milliliters. Oh, it comes safety sealed. I'm going to leave it like that. I have way more than any human being should have of face creams going. Way too many subscriptions, way too many advent calendars. All right, that's a great product as well. On to the next item. Wow. There's a couple more items in there. All right, what is this? I have received a product from this brand before. I don't remember what it was, but I do remember the name, Dr. Dennis Gross, because the third grader in me comes out. and I get tripped up on the name. Gross. All right, what is this? Hyaluronic Marine Meltaway Cleanser. Okay, a face cleanser. Let's assume it's, yep, safety sealed. See what the little booklet has to say. So Dr. Dennis Gross Skincare. The Hyaluronic Marine Meltaway Cleanser retails for $13. And it is sold at Sephora. This deeply hydrating yet refreshingly lightweight cleanser removes all visible signs of dirt, debris, and makeup as it nourishes the skin's microbiome. All right, so we got a cleanser. Let's recap everything we got in the November test tube. So we got this interesting water mist, which seems to soothe your face like after you shave or are sunburned. We then got a dry shampoo. We got a hand sanitizer, but it is a mist form. We got a lovely serum with hyaluronic acid and peptides. We got a face cream with vitamin C. We got a face cleanser with hyaluronic acid. We got a mask knee treatment from Sunday Riley. And from Dr. Brandt, we got an exfoliator. That's a lot of products. We actually got 9 products this month. I'm going to list on the screen the total of everything we received. Give me your thoughts. Was this a great test tube? They must have a really good partnership with Sunday Riley. I believe this is the second or third Sunday Riley product we've received. Not everyone loves Sunday Riley. I do like the Sunday Riley products, and they are on the pricier end. We also got a product from Dr. Brandt, which is also pricey. And then we got some indie brands and some new and different and exciting products. Let me know. Do you subscribe to TestTube? I was this close to canceling at one point, and the last 3 boxes have gotten better and better and better. All right, I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by and watching. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so yet, I would love if you would subscribe. For those who have, don't forget to click the bell icon to be notified of future videos. Everyone, please leave me a comment and feel free to click that thumbs up. All right, thanks everyone.